Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to show you all how to draw Pikachu. Step 1. Draw 2 circles spaced out just a little bit for Pikachu's eyes. Draw a smaller circle inside each of the eyes in the top left and right corner. Add his nose by drawing a small dash in between his eyes at the very bottom. Step 2. Draw a W shape for Pikachu's mouth. Step 3. For his head, start above the left eye and make a curved line that ends above the right eye. Leaving a little gap on both sides, make a bump that comes in towards the eye, then comes back out for his cheek. Repeat on the other side. Make sure his cheeks come down a little closer together at the bottom. Step 4. Draw a circle on both of Pikachu's cheeks. Step 5. Draw his ears. Start next to the gap and draw a curve that comes out to a point and then back in on the other side of the gap. Draw a little diagonal line at the top. Repeat on the other side. Step 6. Starting next to the circle on Pikachu's cheek, draw a line down that curves outwards. Draw the same line on the opposite side. Step 7. For the front legs, start next to his neck and draw a curve that comes down near the middle. Then, for the bottom of his legs, draw a curved line that comes towards the middle. Connect these two lines with his paws, which are little U shapes. Repeat on the other side. Step 8. Give him some feet on each side by drawing an oval that doesn't fully connect. Draw some lines for his toes. Repeat on the other side. Draw the bottoms of his legs and connect them in the middle. Finally, draw his tail. Start with a small triangle next to his head for one side of his tail that is a little hidden. Draw the top of his tail with a long curve, a line straight down, and then make a zigzag. Step 10. Color. Thank you all so much for watching. The next How to Draw will be on Saturday, March 6th at 1 p.m.